Hello and welcome to episode number 6 of Golden Droplets. My name is Ricardo Valls. I am the president and founder of Valls Consultant and also a professional geoscientist registered in the province of Ontario, Canada. Today I will continue talking about how geology can use Excel. And please note that right now you can access the subtitles of this presentation in Spanish by selecting the CC icon at the bottom and select the language. It's in English and in Spanish. So let's start as usually by sharing my screen. And we will be using the same data as last week. I will put this file in a public reservoir so you can download it and work with it at your own pace. So remember always to keep your original data in a separate tab. So no matter what you do what transformation you do, you can always revert back to the original data. You convert this data into a table just by pressing Ctrl-T. Now, the first thing we're going to see today is auditing. And sometimes we receive data and we need to check the quality of the data before start working with it. Usually Excel is intelligent enough to show you with these little green triangles that your cell have some problem. For example, this column here is supposed to be a multiplication of gold by silver. But if you check here, you can see it's just a number. And in this case, the multiplication was done between gold and arsenic. So if you have a small data set like this one, you can just click and choose and select and correct the errors. But if you have hundreds and hundreds of rows, this is the best way to do it. So you select the column, okay? Then you go to Find and select, or just press F5, go to Special, and here you select Column Differences and click OK. And as you can see, the program have selected your two columns that have the problem. You can fill them with a color, so it will be easier to see. And when you finish this thing, you just go to the filter and you say filter by color, select the color, and here you have the rows that you really need to fix. So it's very, very easy to do. The next thing that we're going to be looking at is the duplicate. But before that, I'm going to show you how you can do a copy of a tab, a complete copy with everything, formatting, etc. Very easily. You just click, drag, and then press Ctrl. When you press Ctrl, you see the little plus. You let it go, and you have a perfect copy of the previous tab. So let's go and check for duplicate. So to check for duplicate, you just select the table, and then you just go to Data, Remove Duplicates. And I suggest that you select all. So we're going to make sure, absolutely sure that it's a duplicate. You select OK, and the machine immediately find the 3 duplicates and eliminate it from your data set, and you're done. Another common situation is when you have blanks in your data set. So again, you select all the columns, you press F5, or you just go to Home, Find, Select, go to Specials, and now you select blanks, and you click OK. All the blanks are selected. And again, from Home, you just go to Delete, Rows, and your data is ready. It's very fast, very simple. Another interesting situation is the data validation. And this works better when you are entering the data and you want to make, or somebody is entering the data and you want to make sure that they do not make any errors by introducing a wrong number. This is especially useful, for example, if you have GPS and you know that you have only 6 digits, you can put a constraint that, you know, there cannot be more than 6 or less than 5 numbers in your column. So to do that, you just select the column and go to data validation. And here you just, in setting, you establish which are the controls that you want. You can put a message and you can put also an error alert. So this is very simple to do. Also in the range of adding data to prevent any errors, once you have your table like this and you want, for example, to introduce here a number, you just press Alt and the down arrow. And then you can just select which number you want or which letter you want, etc., etc. So it's very good. Now,